Hello dear students, we are learning the chapter Microorganisms, Friends and Foes. Today we are going to learn bacteria. So what is a bacteria? Bacteria is a group of microorganism. Okay. So these bacteria are unicellular microorganisms. Uni means single. That means a bacteria is made up of single cell. So all the functions has to be performed by that single cell. Look at us, we are made up of so many cells, right? So we have different cells for performing different functions. But in case of bacteria, it has only one cell which has to perform all the functions. Okay. Coming to the size of the bacteria, the size is 0.2 to 100 microns. So you know a micron. 1 micron is 1 by 1000 of a millimeter. Millimeter itself is so small, right? Just imagine how small the bacteria is. Now let's learn about structure of bacteria. So here you can see a beautiful structure of bacteria. This bacteria consists of a cell wall. Where is cell wall? The outermost covering. Okay, the outermost covering is called as a cell wall. Here you can see. Yes, this is the outermost covering. And it also has a plasma membrane or cell membrane. So this is the plasma membrane which is just inside the cell wall. Okay, this is just like a plant cell. A plant cell also has a plasma membrane and cell wall. Cell wall protects the bacteria from external environment. Okay, inside the cell wall you can see this yellow colored thing, right, which is called as a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists of different cell organelles. Okay, here, and one more thing is the nucleoid, that is DNA, the genetic material is not bound in a membrane, but it is scattered in the cytoplasm. In case of plant cell and animal cell, we can see the genetic material inside a membrane, but here you can see the DNA is scattered in the cytoplasm. Okay, and here you can see small hair-like structures, right? So these hair-like structures are nothing but pilus. Why these pilus are present? See here, these small hair-like structures are nothing but pilus. This helps the bacteria to hold the host cell properly. That means it gives a grip. Okay. And here you can see a long thread-like structure. Can you see it? This is a flagellum. Okay. This flagellum helps in the locomotion. Locomotion means movement of the bacteria from one place to another. Okay. So the important parts which you have to mention: wall, plasma membrane, nucleoid, cytoplasm, flagellum and pilus. Okay. So now let's move on to the next slide. Here bacteria are mainly of three basic shapes. Okay. The first one is cocci. Cocci means round in shape. Here you can see the bacteria, they are round in shape. Am I right? Okay. So this is called as cocci. Cocci means round. Okay, round in shape. The singular form of cocci is coccus. Okay. Now next one. bacilli. Bacilli is rod shaped bacteria. Okay, so these are rod shaped bacteria. You can see the structure as they are somewhat cylindrical in shape. These are rod shaped bacteria. Next one is spirilla. Spirilla, as the name suggests, somewhat spiral, right? You can see here these bacteria are spiral in shape. Okay, so there are three shapes, basic shapes. They are cocci, bacilli and spirilla. So almost all bacteria has small hair-like cells. That's what I called as a pilus. Okay, so, but round bacteria doesn't have this. Okay, this is all about bacteria. In the next video, we are going to learn about viruses.